Following the IPL spot fixing scandal, the Kolkata police have now busted a major betting racket with the arrest of 10 people from Kolkata. Among those nabbed is an alleged bookie, Ajit Surekha. Shambit Pal joins us on the phone line with details. Shambit, take us through what you know. Also, we believe that the gang was actually taking bets on Wednesday's playoff match between the Rajasthan Royals and the Sunrisers Hyderabad when this raid took place and all these people were arrested.
In fact, last night, the joint raid by the Detective Department of Kolkata Police and Special Task Force has arrested these 9 persons, including a known bookie, Ajit Surekha, who is a licensed bookie. That is what you're getting to know at the Kolkata racing circuit. And now he has entered into this cricket betting. That is what the police sources were telling us. In fact, they have been arrested from a flat in Gauribadi area in northeastern part of Kolkata in Manikpur area. But what we have gathered is that the police have also recovered 9 mobile phones, 2 laptops with betting softwares, and 3 lakhs of rupees in cash. So at this moment, more details are awaited. They will be produced in the court, and it's to be seen if Kolkata police arrests more persons in connection with cricket betting in Kolkata or not, because we got to know that after this IPL spot fixing scandal came in light, the Kolkata police were tracking all the betting hubs of Kolkata in and around Kolkata, because there are certain hubs that's run by the cricket bookies in Howrah area as well. Most of them had gone on hiding. Some of them had escaped from the state. That is what the police sources were telling us. And at this moment, this is the first arrest by Kolkata police after this IPL spot fixing scandal. So it's to be seen what more Kolkata police do, because they are keeping a surveillance on all the betting hubs.
Right now, of the stuff that was taken off from there was betting software that was similar to the ones that have been found in Mumbai and Delhi police. Now, are the police confirming if this particular gang really was linked in any manner to the mafia-linked betting syndicates?
It's not yet clear if they have any connection with the match fixing or spot fixing or not, because the police are interrogating all of them. They have been taken to the police headquarters last night, and they are being interrogated by both STF and Detective Department officials. And it's to be seen if they find out any connection with this gang with IPL spot fixing. So it's yet to be ascertained by Kolkata police later in the day, probably when they are produced in the court and after the interrogation.